Hey man. Hey, how's it going? What are you up to? I'm working on this Baby Yoda puzzle. Respect, Star Wars is pretty dope. So rumor has it that you can solve the Rubik's Cube. Any chance you could show me? Well, the rumors are true. I don't have one on me right now. Actually, see that? Yeah, check this out. Whoa! You're a Jedi? I'm actually just lazy. Yeah, I'm a Jedi. Dude, that is so cool. Check this out. Man, I am just blown away. That is crazy. So, if you don't mind me asking, you have a lightsaber? Well... Hey guys, thank you again so much for watching the video. We are on the road to 300 subscribers. So if you want to subscribe, click up here in this corner. If you want to see another video, click down here. Make sure to comment down below. If I see a comment I like, I will shout it out in the next video at the beginning. So yeah, see you guys. Have a nice one.